Another perfect, hot, sunny summer's day overlooking False Bay, Cape Town. Me and a couple of friends got together and decided to walk up the mountain and look around. Look at the Helderberg and the greenery and pay tribute to what is around us. Respectfully looking after the environment, showing off to you what surrounds us. Many don't have access to it, so we want to share it with you, make you aware of it, make you proud of it, make you want to cherish it and look after it and make sure it's there for your children. Look after it, enjoy it. Please feel free to pause this little section here and read all about the Fynbos Dam and its origins. And take a look at what's left over after 3 years of no fires. We've been allowed to let this grow. The proteas are actually given a chance to come back to life. Oh no, as I'm flying over here towards that island, I'm just realizing all those non-invasive flowering gums down there along that avenue have been totally chopped down and destroyed, leaving that sandy ground exposed to erosion. Oh no, that's absolutely shocking. Hey, look at Fantasy Island and Tranquility Bay. Look at that. Undisturbed silence and isolation, away from the fires, and escape from the reality we call Fynbos. Look at all the swarms of bird life down there. Yeah, freely floating around. There must be fish down there. There's life in those waters. Look at that. And just because it's black water or golden water, as you can see on the seashores there, that doesn't mean pollution. That's just tannins from the trees and roots and plants that are growing around there. And yes, there's iron in the water as well. Nothing wrong with that. But the moment we look up to the shores over there, we just see the evidence of the damage due to perhaps bad management or whatever it is, but carelessness. That's why we don't have trees like what you're looking at now on the shores just above. As we raise the camera up, you'll see. Look at that. The peace and tranquility of Paradise Island. Look at those birds. Is that a kestrel? Huh. To fly like a bird. Wouldn't that be nice? Oh. Yeah, you got me dreaming now. Look at that. A little beach there far from anybody else. Wouldn't it be nice to be there? It's not possible. What's happened to that avenue? It was a lovely avenue of flowering gum trees. Oh my goodness me. Hopefully they're going to put some trees there, like indigenous trees, like yellowwoods or Kigellaria africana, you know, the butterfly tree. Those sort of things. They should be growing there. What's wrong? It's not happening. Why? Of course, naturally, you want to keep the natural processes and cycles of life continuing. You know, like absorption of water, transpiration through the leaves and back to the atmosphere and then falling as rain. That's how you get rain. It's a natural cycle, a natural process. Trees, clouds, rain, water. course, trees do this wonderful thing that they are designed to do, and that is filter water, so that whatever is absorbed and transpired and gets back into the atmosphere is purified water without any chemical processing necessary. Yeah, look at that. Swooping down, looking right across the dam. And get an idea now of Steenbras Dam, but after all the fires and so on, no trees. Trees. It's the cycle of life. What do we want? Surround ourselves with greenery or rocks? Well, now we got rocks and a little bit of grass. Looking down now at Gordons Bay and the hydroelectric dam. Thanks for watching with us. I hope you enjoyed that little montage of our surroundings here. Perhaps you can add in the comments how you feel about your part of the world here in Gordons Bay. Let's look after it.